If your vehicle is not starting, your headlamps or other lights not glowing, your wiper, horn and mobile charger not working, chances are a fuse is one of the probable causes. Here's what you'll need: a Phillips screwdriver in the toolkit and a fuse puller placed inside the fuse box cover. To inspect the fuse, locate the fuse box lid, usually hidden behind the service cover. You'll find component labels conveniently placed on the top of the fuse box cover. Select and carefully remove the specific fuse with the help of the fuse puller. Give it a visual once over. If you spot a blown metal strip, it's time to replace the fuse. You'll find a spare fuse right inside the fuse box cover for such moments. To put in a new fuse, remove the burnt one, insert a replacement with the same amperage, press it firmly into place, and close the lid securely. After replacing the specific fuse, turn on the ignition key and check if your vehicle starts. The lights come back to life and your wiper and mobile charger are working. If the issue persists or if you need a new fuse, don't hesitate to get in touch with the nearest authorized service center. They'll have you covered.